In most applications, plots include multiple curves. Plotting more than one curve can be achieved in Matplotlib in two simple methods. The first method by adding xy pairs to the same plot function. For example, let's run the code and see the result. So as you see here, by using one plot function, we were able to plot two curves or two lines. The first one is a square root function and the second is a linear function. What if we need to format these curves so each one will include color line marker styles? Very easy. We just add the style string just after each pair. For example, now the second method is by adding plot functions. Both plot functions must be before the show command. So we can do this. And run the code. So as you see, it gave exactly the same result. When there are more than one curve, a legend should be added to explain which curve is related to which data or equation. This helps to add titles or symbols to define each curve. The legend function receives the titles in the form of a list of strings. Each item in the list will be related to a curve according to the plot sequence. So let's see how it works. So these are the titles of each curve. Let's see the result. So as you see here, it added a legend, which each curve has a small sample and the title beside it. It is your responsibility to match the titles in the list and the curves correctly, because Python will not know exactly which one for which. The legend has the location argument too, and the default is best, so it puts the legend in a place where it doesn't cover the curves. Let's run and see the default. So as you see here in the upper left corner, let's try lower right corner. So it moved legend box to the lower right corner of the plot area.